The Articulated Ferret completed. Took a little over 15 hours, 15 hours and 20 minutes. I did it in gray. Almost looks like a rat. I did it in gray and I did it on a raft. The reason I did it on a raft is on the tail is such a tiny surface connecting to the build plate that it was slipping off for me. I think the other parts, the head, the front section and the rear section of the body probably would have been fine, but the tail was not going to cut it for me. So now we need to see about getting this off. Body came off. Probably should have done it in brown. And then for the tail, which is going to have the smallest pieces. This was done on with the standard setting in Cura. Came off the raft very easily. Tail's moving around. Little feet. You can see that the feet will move. Body's moving fine. And then the feet. These are much bigger joints, so they move easier for you. Some of the pieces I did, like the crab, the joints are smaller and they will crack very easily. Now, I think some of this needs to come off here. There's some supports. They're going to need to come out of here, I believe. Because I know that's supposed to be round and it's not. So that looks like the head will connect. This will probably be the most challenging. Head snapped right on. Now we'll put the rear section together. And then we'll snap the tail on. There's little sections you can print that would make it longer and shorter. So there's the ferret in a dark gray PLA.